Okay, this question. Use formulae for perimeter and area to find the area of each rectangle given its perimeter. Okay, so ultimately we have to do this, which is find the area of this rectangle. So the formula for area, remember, is area equals length times width. Now we do have some information given to us already. So we are given the area, the length, which is 4.2, but we are not given the width just yet. We have to figure out the width, and the width is here, side x. So how do we do that? Well, we've got to use the formula for perimeter. So let's use this formula. P equals 2L plus 2W. And let's plug in what we're given. So we're given 13.6 as the perimeter, and that equals 2 times the length, because we've got two lengths, right? So the length was 4.2, it's already given to us, plus 2 times whatever the width is. In this case, we're not given the width, it is given as x. And so let's just tidy what we know up. So 13.6 equals 8.4, because that's 2 times, right? 2 times 4.2 is 8.4. And then 2 times x, right, is 2x. Okay, so now we could just solve, because now it's quite a simple linear equation. We want to cancel out positive 8.4, and we do that by doing the inverse. So minus 8.4, and because this is an equation, we have to keep it balanced, so we do the same to both sides, like this. So now this cancels out plus 8.4, and we're left on this side, which is great. We need 2x, and on this side we're left with 5.2. Okay, so we're nearly there. We need to cancel out multiplying by 2. To cancel something out in these equations, you do the opposite, or the inverse. So the inverse of multiplying by 2 is to divide by 2. And again, you do it to both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. Multiplied by 2, divided by 2, cancels each other out. And we're now left with x, which is what we want. And 5.2 divided by 2 is 2.6. And so now we know that x equals 2.6. What's the unit of measurement? Meters. So let's put this in. This x is not x anymore because we know what it is. It's 2.6. We can plug that into our formula for area, 2.6. We now have the length, we now have the width, and now it's a simple process of multiplying 4.2 by 2.8. We're allowed to use our calculator, so let's do that. 4.2 times 2.6 equals, there we go, the answer is 10.92. It's meters, and because it's area, we have to make sure it is squared meters, and that is complete. Now there's just one note. You might have wanted to have used a different formula for perimeter, so you can do that. You can go with perimeter equals 2 times length plus w, okay, length plus width, and you could go 13.6 equals 2 times 4.2 plus x, which means it is 13.6 equals 2 times 4.2. So that is, what is that, 8.4. And then 2 times plus x, and that is plus 2x. And then we just solve from here, as we did at this point on the previous solution. We say we have to cancel out 8.4 on both sides. Okay, so we do that. And that cancels out to leave on the right hand side 2x, and on this side 5.2. Okay, and then for the next line we have to cancel out multiplying by 2, and we divide by 2. We do that to both sides, so multiply by 2, divide by 2 cancels, so we're left with x, and on this side we're left with 2.6, and so x equals 2.6 meters. So you could have used that formula as well.